My name is Justin Fay. My pronouns are he, him, and I lead the public affairs program here at Fresh Energy. Fresh Energy is a Minnesota-based nonprofit that's worked for 3 decades to move Minnesota and the Midwest toward a more equitable and carbon-free future. In a nutshell, the work of Fresh Energy's public affairs team is to build a shared commitment to a zero carbon future and to drive ambitious policy change at multiple levels of government and society at large. We do this through our work in coalitions by providing Minnesotans with opportunities to take individual action and through policy design and advocacy. And we're looking to grow and expand what these efforts look like on our public-facing advocacy campaigns. That's why we're hiring for a senior associate for advocacy campaigns on Fresh Energy's public affairs team. This person will play a crucial role in creating and implementing effective advocacy campaigns that advance climate solutions here in Minnesota and beyond. I'm excited about this new role because it's so important to the climate movement to grow new relationships and new approaches to energy and climate advocacy, all of which contribute to strengthening the public resolve for change. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you'll consider applying for this exciting new role.